Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Integer.
What does the dictionary say?
One of the positive or negative numbers 1, 2, 3, etc., or 0.
Math rap.
Like a whole number with no fractional part at all, an integer stands alone with no decimal. That includes numbers you can count, and what gives it even counts for numbers in the negatives.
Math rap.
Like standing by train tracks, whole numbers are integers, just waiting for action. Things are mostly positive, but sometimes they get negative. Now explain integers in your own words. Play sliding math. Make an integer scale from 20 to -20. Start at 0. Add 5, slide 5 right. -3, slide 3 to the left. Add 9. -16. Add 6. What integer have you stopped at in the sliding math game? Play sliding math. Make an integer scale from -20 to 20. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!